everyone, my name is Viraj Rathod. I study in 6th Standard in Francilian School of Excellence. So today we are going to perform an experiment of all this solution, and we are going to find if we add the turmeric solution in the soap and this lemon solution, so what will happen. So let us see. So first I will take this turmeric solution and pour it by first I will mix it nicely, and I will pour this liquid in the soap, and then I will mix it. So we will take some rest and then we will see afterwards. Till that we will this is the lemon solution. We'll first mix it. Then we'll take this and pour it in. Normally we can pour many. This also we can pour. And for some time we will let it settle down. Stop. So see, now here the color is turned to the red and here it is same. So this means that the soap is base and this is acid. So the property of base is that the base means when we will pour the turmeric powder, it converts into red color, but the acid stays itself. Thank you.